If you're on the hunt for a free video editing tool that doesn't skimp on features, you've probably heard of DaVinci Resolve. But does it really live up to the hype, or are there hidden catches? Let's dive into what makes this software tick. DaVinci Resolve is a comprehensive video editing software that's surprisingly free, offering a powerful suite of tools for both beginners and pros. Right off the bat, the interface feels robust, with a professional-grade layout that includes everything from editing to color correction and even audio post-production. The software is designed to cater to a wide range of users, from YouTubers looking to polish their content to filmmakers needing advanced editing capabilities. One of the standout features is its color grading tools, which are often considered industry-leading. However, the learning curve can be steep. If you're new to video editing, the plethora of options might feel overwhelming at first. Additionally, while the free version packs a punch, some advanced features are locked behind a paywall, which could be a deal breaker for users looking for a completely free solution. Overall, it's a powerful tool, but the user experience is something you'll need to navigate carefully. Let's break down the pros and cons. On the plus side, DaVinci Resolve offers an impressive range of features without costing a dime, and its color grading capabilities are top-notch, making your videos look professional. However, there are notable drawbacks. The interface, while powerful, can be confusing for newcomers, and the learning curve is steep. Some users might find themselves frustrated by the complexity, especially if they're used to simpler editors. Moreover, certain features like collaborative tools and advanced effects are only available in the paid version, which could limit functionality for some users. In terms of trust, DaVinci Resolve comes from Blackmagic Design, a reputable company in the industry, which is a plus. But be prepared for potential performance issues on lower-end machines. It's not the most lightweight software out there. In conclusion, DaVinci Resolve is an excellent choice for those serious about video editing and willing to invest time in learning the software. If you're a casual user or just starting out, you might want to explore simpler alternatives first. Overall, it's worth trying, especially given its powerful features, but be ready to invest some time into mastering it.